DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV, weekly Pidgin English, when we dey bring come give una. I beg country people, if this one na the first time when e be say you take dey watch our video, I use God beg you, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you come knack the notification bell so that you go continue to get our ogbonge news video. Me wey wan knack una the tori this week, na be una country brother again, when my name be Stanley Okocha. Our first story for this week dey come from
DJM TV.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.
Let me say this clearly. I'm not coming here to stay for one day. I'll be here till the election finishes. What you are facing now, or what you're going to face on Saturday, see it as your future. See it that if anything goes otherwise, your political future is in jeopardy. They say election will be free and fair. I am very happy about that. But, my brother, what I saw, what I experienced, you have to be extra vigilant. Not what they told you, oh, we'll provide a plain level, what do you call it? Level. My brother. That their own, sometimes you see how it is undulating. You must be very, very careful. I have said, and I do know, that President Buhari wants to leave a legacy. That legacy, I think, is that I want to say that there must be free and fair elections. Even if it does not do anything for Nigeria, let him use Edo State as an example that there was a free and fair election. When they move to all the wards and local government, follow them bumper to bumper. Don't give any excuse. Let nobody tell you any story. Who are here? If they want to kill all of us governors, let them kill us. Let it be in the history that is the first government that killed all the governors. Okay. It's good. Nobody should attempt to plan to rig this election. I hear those who took fort in their state and became a governor. Here is not that state. Here it's not that state where you will take fort, then you become governor. Maybe here. I don't know about that, but here it's not so. So, people do not be intimidated. Stand firm and say your vote must count. Your vote must count. If they can't, they say they won. Of course, we have problems. But I know that they are too far from nearing to even win. They are too far. So don't go back. Tell their people, as you go back this night, as the food, everybody stay around. Everybody stay around. When the free comes, move it to the collection center. Stay around the collection center. I cannot tell you that when you finish, go home. Go home for what? So they will come and bring police and carry away the collection officer. Don't argue. Even if Riverside can do it, you too, you can do it. So I said, let me come and talk to you and tell you, to identify with you, be peaceful. Don't be violent, but don't allow them to rig you. Do you understand what I'm saying? Don't make trouble, don't be violent, but don't allow them to rig you. It's as important as that. So that you know that all of us, in the whole Nigerian Delta, all the governors, we're all together. As far as this matter is signed. So nobody will take a door away from us. We want to move together as a people, as a region, and determine what our future will be as a people. It's very, 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 very important.
Elections are an important part of any democracy. However, in Nigeria, participation is often not without risk. Recently, the risk to voters have been further amplified by the threat of the COVID-19 pandemic. The Independent Electoral Commission Nigeria has taken extra measures to reduce your exposure to COVID-19 when you come out to cast your votes. With guidance from the NCDC and other public health experts, we are committed to making the polling areas safe from the threat of the pandemic. For these measures to be effective, however, we will require your partnership and cooperation as our trained officials guide you through the new safety tips. When you arrive at the polling location, you might notice that we have a limited number of people allowed to enter the voting area at any one time. Do not worry, you will still get to cast your votes. Please keep a safe distance from other voters while you wait. Please note that there will be a compulsory temperature check before you are permitted into the voting area to ensure that you and the people around you are safe and healthy. We will also be enforcing a strict no mask, no entry rule. Please always ensure to have a mask with you and keep it on while you are in the voting area. Scarves and handkerchiefs can work too if your mouth and nose are fully covered. In the voting area, you may notice that we have set markers to indicate where you should stand to avoid coming too close to others. Please abide by these markings while you wait your turn. When it is your turn to vote, remember to sanitize your hands before and after handling the ballot. INEC Nigeria thanks you in advance for your contribution to making Nigeria's election safer, fairer, and more credible. Voting is your right. Let's make it safe.
DJM TV.
What you call the INEC office? 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 May I ask a question? Wait. No, wait. Hold on. Ask questions. No, wait. Ask a question. What you call the INEC office? 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 Only the one carry papers. Only. What you call the INEC office? Only. Now what? APC wants that papers. Only. Leave her.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People, I beg una one again. If this one are the first time when it be say you take they see our video like this, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV. And again, make you knock your hand for the notification bell so that you go continue to get our video stories like this. Bye bye.
DJM TV.